so beautiful here. I hope you all can see. What nature can do in somebody's yard. Papayas, tangerines. Let's see. Beautiful roses, oranges, intermingled with roses. Isn't that fun? So cute. And the old tangerine tree here. Quite old, these trees. That's the macadamia tree over there. Now this one is a new one. It's a new mulberry. And it's quite vibrant. In fact, mulberries came in. And let's see. Here's my favorite spot I'll share with y'all. Being inside the orange tree, it's so fun. Yeah. So to keep the branches all nice and bare like that, when new ones grow in, we just like brush them off, new sprouts. Like this one right here, we could brush off to keep everything hollowed out in the middle and then all the fruit on the outside. And that's so cool about citrus. See how it gets trained like that? Super fun. So lovely. And this is a big deciduous tree. I think it's pecan, but it might be ash. But it just planted itself here. So it's huge. And that up there is called senna. And it's so beautiful right now. This is a little one. Yeah, look at the senna. So beautiful. Yay. So this is a little front yard food forest. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Got some mint right here. Some tomatoes growing up on a natural trellis. Pigeon peas. Moringa. Bananas. Artichokes. Roses. So it's very fun. This is a fun little example of a little food forest. Yes, it's about 30 by 60. So really something you could do. And you can see this is right beside the road. So it's not like I'm out in the jungles of Ecuador. But here's this beautiful food forest right there in that size. Just a beautiful food forest, covered soil, working together as a team. So I just wanted to share with you that that is what you can do in a small space, or a million other things. It doesn't take a huge space. So aloha, dear food forester. I encourage you to keep going. You are doing so well, and I'm so proud of you. Okay. Aloha.